Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct. And today we're going to install the Modern Flames Redstone built-in electric fireplace. Today we'll be working with the 42-inch model. The first step will be to determine which trim option you would prefer. The fireplace comes standard with a pre-installed set of trim as well as a larger option. If you'd like to use a larger trim option, you'll need to remove the pre-installed one first. In order to do that, you'll need to remove the 4 screws on top and bottom, as well as the 2 screws on both sides. With the trim removed, you can now replace it with your selection. The next step is to determine how you would like to run power to your fireplace. This fireplace comes standard with a 3-prong plug, or you can have your electrician use the provided hardwire kit to wire your fireplace directly into the home. With the trim in place and power running to the fireplace, it's now time to install it in your wall. With the fireplace installed, we can now place our media. The Redstone comes with acrylic beads and a driftwood log set. You can use a combination of both or one or the other. The driftwood log set comes pre-installed with lighting. The lighting is powered up with this Molex connector. All you need to do is connect this inside the firebox. With the driftwood log set installed, we can now place the acrylic beads. The last step will be to replace your glass. To replace your glass, you'll need to first insert the bottom into the existing channel and slide the top up and simply insert the screws. And that is everything you need to know about installing your Modern Flames Redstone built-in electric fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.